Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to make flavorful, aromatic, economical, healthy, easy, instant, nutritious, budget-friendly and delicious salad. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Boil chickpeas till soft and tender. Tinned chickpeas can also be used. Slice onion and make onion rings. Place onion rings as base in a platter. Add chickpeas. Season with salt, black pepper, lemon juice, and with any herb of your choice. Mix it. Flavorful, aromatic, economical, healthy, easy, instant, nutritious, budget-friendly and delicious salad is ready to serve now. We hope you will give it a try. Enjoy and share with your family, friends and people around you. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.